All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. So we're going to speak about Damion Lowe. I finally got the opportunity to sit and watch Damion Lowe's first game against Chicago Fires. Now, surprisingly, there's a few things that I definitely can take away from that game. A few things also that I can say that it needs to work on that, and then now you can understand the reason why. Some of that, and also a few things that I like that I definitely said, okay, it looks like he's ready as well. So what I want you guys to do at this moment, remember that I am in YouTube prison. I would really appreciate it if you guys help me by coming up, and the only way I can come out is by you guys hitting that like button, and definitely. So guys, please smash the like button, people, and hit that subscribe button. As you know, we're still on the road to a lot of subscribers. A lot of subscribers. But guess what, people? Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Military Guna TV. Let's get with the show cracking. Let us go. From here. All right, so the Miami FC and Chicago Fire FC, they drew the game 0-0. Or yes, we have quite a lot of big name players who are actually on the pitch. Shaqiri, Higuain, and also a few more names as well, but I can't remember them as well. But let's get into the real reason why we're here. We'll speak about Damion Lowe. Now, for me, first of all, I want to say good performance overall. Overall, good performance. Oh, I just forgot the heat map. I didn't take up the heat map. Good performance overall. I see a few things that I can say that he needs to work on. So one of them is, you know what? Let me get into the aspect of what was happening. Let's get to the aspect of the game in itself. So this here is actually the Damion Lowe's overall. So we're gonna start from the first activity inclusive of Damion Lowe. Yes, he started off playing quite good. Quite good, but this is first thing I saw. Damion Lowe, centre back, trying a bicycle. Damion Lowe, centre back, trying a bicycle. People, it was funny to see. It was really fun. It was funny to see. He didn't get off the bicycle. He actually Foley had a player inside of the back, but it was definitely funny to see. Now, as the game goes on, there are a few incidents, for example, like this one, where he actually cleared that one just off the toe of the attacker as he was about to plunge in on that ball. The ball looks as if it was actually closer to Damion Lowe, but the truth is it was actually moving away from him and onto the attacker. And he met the ball just in time to make that clearance. And when I mean just in time, I'm talking about just in time. He pounced upon that one. So also let's move forward on that one. So also let's go further. As you can see right here, this is when he received his yellow card, and for me personally, I honestly don't think this is a yellow card. As you can see, the player is actually behind him this time. The ball is rolling across both players. What happened is that the player was trying to engage the ball behind Damion Lowe, and his foot got entangled with Damion Lowe's own, and referee calls that and deem it that Damion Lowe was blocking him, in which I don't believe that as well. As you can see further on, see, he was actually trying to go around Damion Lowe, and his foot entangled with Damion Lowe, and that was deemed as a yellow card. That's how he received his yellow card for the game. But overall, I think that highlight most of the stuff. He had a few incidents in the game where he put in some defensive solidity, but like some clearances from corners, also some one-time touches. He looks comfortable in regards to his normal playing style. You still see a little bit of the rashness, but not to the extent of what we would normally know. It's fairly toned down now. Also, in regards to the partnership, you can see clearly that both Damion Lowe and the defender that he's working with, they're trying to formulate that partnership. And it's surprising that this January transfer window opens, and at the beginning of the season, as he reaches into the team, bam, straight in the team, it shows the quality that Phil Neville has in Damion Lowe. Now, let's look at Damion Lowe's stats. Let me see if I can bring up Damion Lowe's stats for. I knew I had his stats. So let's. So these are his stats. Damion Lowe versus Chicago Fire. So he played a total of 90 minutes. He made 8 clearances, 1 block shot, 3 interceptions. So the small snippets are that it's just like some other incidents happening rather than these aspects. 3 interceptions, 2 tackles, because I couldn't get all of the details. I wish if I could get all of the details, I would have definitely get all of the details and show you guys, like for each one of those clearances, each one of the block shots or interceptions. I would have definitely got the details for that, but I couldn't get it. But anyways, let's get straight into it. 3 interceptions, 2 tackles, 7 ground duels. He won 3 of them, 5 aerial duels, and he won 4 of that out of that 5. He had 47 touches, completed 18 out of 27 passes at 67%, and I do think that he already spoke about that. That is a area that he actually needs to work on a little bit. But as I said, he looks a bit nervous knowing that it's his first game, and the crowd support and all these aspects play into the game. He also made 1 key pass, attempted 1 cross, and it was completed. Now, this is a problem. This is a part of his game that I really want him to eradicate, not tone down. I want him to get rid of this part, the long balls. I really think he needs to try and work his way out of that long ball passing mentality. Try to move away from it. I see he attempted quite a few long balls. It didn't work out. And surprisingly, when I saw that via the stats center, he said 6, I was like, it looks like a lot more. It really looks like a lot more. It looked like he attempted quite a few more. That's what it looks like to me. But in the same sense, I think that is one of the area of his game in which he should get rid of. So, fairly enough, I think his ratings was, ooh, wow. Was it 7.6 or 7.4? It was about 7.4. I'm sorry about that. I should have gotten that as well. And also, I should have gotten the heat map to show you guys. But on next time around, on the next game, when I'm covering the next game, you will get all of that details. What I'll try to do, I'll try to see if I can get a connection with Instastat where we can get all the details. But I will try. It's not a must, not a guarantee. But fair enough, I would say, for me, knowing that it's a debut, I would say I would give him, I think this 7 out of 10 would be roughly in the OK region. Because the debut, they kept a clean sheet. He was vital in regards to keeping the clean sheet as well. You can see the nervousness. Surprisingly, well, that shouldn't be surprising. Most players, that is the reason. But lack of understanding between both defenders, you can see that that's clear. I'm not sure if it's a language barrier. I'm not sure if it's a language barrier, but definitely, I do expect him to grow into the MLS, because he is a good player, and I think that this level is actually a level in which he can play some really good football, possibly better than this level, possible, but. We'll see how this one goes, people, and we keep track on how he progressed throughout the season for Inter Miami. But in the same sense, people, as you know, help me get out of YouTube prison. If you like this content, hit the like button. If you like this content, hit the like button. If you don't, tell me in the comment section. Go into the comment section and tell me what I should improve, what I should do to improve. Go into the comment section, tell me that right now. What I should do to improve if you don't like it. If you like it, smash the like button, people, and go in the comment section and tell me what you think about his debut for Inter Miami. But anyways, people, I'll see you guys again. Hopefully you guys are good, and definitely until next time, people. Military Guna TV, people, we are out. Boom. I'm gonna give you guys intro before I leave. Oh.